What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So the wait for the Realme GT Neo 3T is finally getting over as the Realme has already teased its new 3T smartphone in the launch event of the Realme 9i 5G, and here's every single detail about the smartphone which you need to know. Consider subscribing to our channel if you're new here. Let's get started.
So the very first thing, let's talk about its design, and not only that, the display. The design of this phone is built from the glass back, and apart from that, the display of the smartphone is a 6.62 inch of a Full HD plus E4 AMOLED display, and you get a 120Hz of high refresh rate and 1300 nits of peak brightness in this smartphone. On the processor side, it's a yesteryear Snapdragon 870 with a UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR4X RAM. And talking about the battery capacity, it's a 5000 mAh battery with a fast charge of 80 watts. Yes, the fast charging from 67 watts has now been increased towards the 80 watt, which is again a good improvement. And the charger will indeed be included in the box. The phone ran on Android 12 out of the box, and we can expect a couple of updates in Android this smartphone. So you can expect up to Android updates up to Android 14. Next thing is a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel of a primary camera, 8 megapixel of a ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of a depth sensor. Now talking about the front selfie camera, then it's a 16 megapixel of a selfie punch hole camera, and you also get an X-axis haptic motor. The phone comes with NFC, and not only that, it weighs at 194 grams and the phone is 8.65 inches in thickness. Now talking about this price of this smartphone, then the phone is priced at 29,565 rupees when we convert this from the Indonesian currency for the base storage of 8 plus 128GB variant. Now this pricing is almost all as par on the iQOO 9 SE. So if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.